Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We're going to pit two dash cams against each other to see which one comes out on top. On the left side of the screen, we have the REDTIGER dash cam, and on the right side, we have the FOCUWAY dash cam. Let the battle begin. Let's start with the most important feature of any dash cam, the video quality. The REDTIGER dash cam boasts an impressive 4K plus 1080p dual recording capability, capturing every detail on the road. With its wide-angle lenses, you won't miss a thing. Next up, let's talk about night vision. Driving at night can be challenging, but a good dash cam should be able to handle it. The REDTIGER dash cam comes equipped with an excellent optical lens and HDR, D2-Duo technology to capture important details even in low-light conditions. Connectivity is an essential aspect of any modern dash cam. The REDTIGER dash cam offers Wi-Fi and smart app control, allowing you to view, playback, and manage your footage directly from your smartphone. You can even download and edit videos on the go. Finally, let's talk about some additional features that make these dash cams stand out. The REDTIGER dash cam offers reliable accident recording features such as loop recording and a 24-hour parking monitor. It's all about capturing those crucial moments, even when you're not behind the wheel. Well, folks, it's time to wrap up this battle. Both the REDTIGER dash cam and the FOCUWAY dash cam have their unique strengths. The REDTIGER dash cam delivers exceptional video quality and reliable accident recording features, while the FOCUWAY dash cam excels in night vision capabilities and connectivity options. Ultimately, the choice between these two dash cams comes down to your personal preferences and priorities. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and discounts. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.